Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today we're going to be talking about the Easy Toys Anal Shower Head Nozzle. So let's get started. So this is the anal shower head nozzle itself. Now this contains one anal shower head which can be attached onto a standard 1.2 centimeter or half an inch shower hose. The shower head is designed so that there is no danger that water pressure gets too high. Please ensure the water temperature does not exceed 40 degrees centigrade. We recommend that you use a suitable lubricant when inserting the shower head into the rectum for ultimate comfort during this process. If you want to use the intimate douche both anally and vaginally, always clean both the inside and outside very well with lukewarm water and toy cleaner to minimise any harmful bacteria. At the top of the nozzle here are lots of dots where the water will come out, and it's very hygienic and safe to use before anal play. We would recommend a water-based lubricant for a comfortable fit during use, and always make sure to clean after every use with toy cleaner and lukewarm water. And that is the Easy Toys Anal Shower Head Nozzle. If you have any questions, drop a comment below and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.